Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're gonna test the MacBook Pro 2018 with the 2017 model. So let's check how it works. Wait, 2018? No. You know why? Got only headphone port here. This is not 2018. So at first sight you didn't notice any change because there is no change from the body. It looks exactly like this, and there is no base model. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'm not gonna tell you the paper specs. I'm just gonna tell you my opinion and how I'm gonna fight them both and compare them. So first of all, the body looks exactly the same. If you have a 2017 model and you have a 2018 model, no one is gonna differentiate between it. Like if you have a 2015 and you have a 2017, yeah, there is a difference. If you have a 2015 or 16, there is a difference. 2016, 17, no difference. 17, 18, no difference. There is one other point, because this 2018 model does not come in base model, so anyone who bought the 2017 base model, they should not be sad because there's no problem for them. There is no base model in 2018 model, so the base model still remains the same, so don't even think of upgrading. You are safe. People who bought 2017 model just in May, June, that's a little thing of being sad, because they could have waited more and bought the 2018 model, but still there is no problem. You got the MacBook 2 months earlier, you used it for 2 months, so no problem. You have the MacBook, you can do your work. If it's faster, 2 seconds difference, 1 second difference, 1 millisecond difference, that doesn't even count. You can wait 1 second. If the MacBook 2018 is faster 1% or 20% or 30%, the difference is going to be like 1 second, 2 seconds or 3 seconds. That's a big difference, but you can wait 3 seconds rather than spending more and buying the new one. Or if you want to sell this one and upgrade to that one because you really want that bad, then ask yourself, why do you want that? Because you can make some really cool videos with this. You can edit stuff, you can render some good videos, you can code, you can do anything, but that would be more efficient on the 2018 model. The thing is that it's not a problem that is really big. This model can also do it. Yeah, even the 2015 model can do it, then why not this one, the 2017 model? So there's no reason for upgrading. So if you're watching this video is not on paper spec. It's only based on my opinion and real world test. So the 2017 model does my job, edits video, does some really cool photo editing, does some really cool browsing, has a really long battery, everything, and it's the base model. So why you even care if you're upgrading to 2018 model and you don't have that base model? You have something like better than the base model. Do not even care. Yeah. So I would say you are better to stay with your MacBook. Yeah. If you want to upgrade it, make sure to use it at least 2 years. Don't upgrade it before 2 years. No body change, then I do not like things. When body change comes, I would upgrade it. But till now, I'm real happy with it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.